Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Maths by Mother. Today I am going to solve third and fourth problems of the exercise 11.1 in the chapter of trigonometry from 10th standard textbook. Before getting into the topic, I request you to like and subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon to get my upcoming videos. Let's get into the topic. Problem number 3. In a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B, in which A is equal to 24 units, B is equal to 25 units and angle BAC is equal to theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. Here ABC is the triangle and B is the right angle to the triangle. Here angle is theta. So opposite to the angle is called opposite. BC is the opposite side and AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the adjacent to the angle A. Here A is equal to 24 units, B is equal to 25 units. Now we find the value of C. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is equal to AC length is 25. 25 square is equal to AB square plus BC square, 24 square. 625 is equal to AB square plus 576. AB square is equal to 625 minus 576, that is equal to 49. Therefore AB is equal to square root of 49 is equal to 7. Now we find the value of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, from the figure, side adjacent to angle theta by hypotenuse. Here angle adjacent to angle theta is AB and hypotenuse length is AC. AB length is 7. C is equal to 7. AC is equal to 25. Therefore cos theta is equal to 7 by 25. Now we find the value of tan theta. Side opposite to angle theta by side adjacent to angle theta. Here opposite length is 24 units and adjacent length is 7 units. BC by AB, that is equal to 24 by 7. Therefore tan theta is equal to 24 by 7. Problem number 4. If cos A is equal to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. Cos A equal to 12 by 13. Here A is the angle of this triangle. B is the right angle to the triangle ABC. Cos A is equal to adjacent side to the angle A by hypotenuse, that is equal to 12 by 13. Here adjacent length is 12 centimeters and hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. Therefore AB is equal to 12 and AC is equal to 13. Now we find the value of BC by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC length is 13. 13 square is equal to AB length is 12. 12 square plus BC square. BC square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. BC square is equal to 169 minus 144. BC square is equal to 25. BC is equal to square root of 25, that is equal to 5. Now we find the value of sin A over to the angle A. Side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Here opposite is BC. BC length is 5. BC by hypotenuse AC. 5 by AC length is 13. Therefore sin A is equal to 5 by 13. Now we find the value of tan A. Side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. BC by AB. BC length is 5 and AB length is 12. Therefore tan A is equal to 5 by 12.